So, introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing is revolutionizing the way businesses operate by providing on demand access to cloud computing resources such as server, storage, databases, and analytics over the internet. By leveraging cloud computing, organizations can reduce cost, increase flexibility, and scale their operations without having it to invest in physical hardware. Let's explore the definition and benefits of cloud computing. So, cloud computing allows businesses to store, process, and analyze data on remote servers rather than relying on on-premises infrastructure. Some of the key benefits are cost saving because no need to buy and maintain physical hardwares. Another is scalability because businesses can scale resources up or down as needed. The next one is flexibility because employees can work from anywhere with cloud-based applications. And the last one can be security and reliability because cloud providers offers advanced security features and disaster recovery solutions. Google Cloud provides a secure, scalable, and cost-efficient cloud computing platform to meet the need of business across industries. So the type of cloud services like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. So if we talk about infrastructure as service, so it provides on-demand compute, storage, and networking resources. It eliminates the need for organization to manage physical hardware. For example, Google Compute Engine for virtual machines is an example of infrastructure as service. The next one is PaaS. So PaaS is basically it provides a managed platform for developers to build and deploy applications. So it simplifies application deployment without managing operating system or servers. So one of the example can be Google App Engine or Cloud Run. SaaS. So SaaS delivers cloud-based hosting application over the internet. So there is no installation required or maintenance required. Some of the examples are Google Workspace, which we use on daily basis like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, etc. So if we see, there are like cloud deployment models available. So there are four main ways cloud services can be deployed. So the first one is public cloud. So public cloud service are provided by third-party vendors over the internet. They have shared infrastructure with multiple tenants. So example is Google Cloud Services or AWS or Azure. So those are our public clouds. So private cloud is dedicated cloud environment for a single organization. So it provides higher security and control. So one of the example is Google Cloud VMware Engine, which is GCVE. So the next one is hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud infrastructure. So it balances security, compliance, and scalability needs. So one of the example is Google Anthos. Multi-cloud means it uses services from multiple cloud providers such as GCP, AWS, Azure. It helps businesses to avoid vendor lock-in. One of the example is like Google Anthos, BigQuery Omni, etc. So let's see cloud computing concepts. So data. So what is data? So it is any useful information such as number, text, audio, video, right? So the organization rely on data for decision making. Google Cloud offers storage and analytics services. So for example, a data can be a customer record, logs, or sensor data. So GCP provides BigQuery or cloud storage to store that data. So the next one is computing. So computing is the ability to process, store, and analyze the data. Because businesses need automated scalable computing power. So Google Cloud provides virtual machine and serverless computing. For example, let's say you want to run an application or process a data, you can use computing power like Google Compute Engine or Cloud Functions. So the next one is compute power. The speed at which computer processes data. Business needs fast processing for complex workload. So Google provides high performance VMs, which is called HPC, and AI/ML accelerations. For example, customer needs AI/ML training or high performance computing. For that, they can use compute engine, cloud GPUs, TPUs, etc. So what is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the capacity of data transfer in network. It ensures smooth data flow for applications. Because it is a high-speed networking service, video streaming and large file transfer is quickly possible. So Google Cloud Network is an example where the bandwidth is used. The next one is network latency. So what is latency? It is a delay in data transmission between points. Lower the latency, it is really critical for real-time applications. So Google Cloud is a global low latency network. So that's why it is very well suited for online gaming and financial tradings. So Google provides a premium tier network option for its customer. So what do you mean by cloud? So cloud is a network of remote data centers providing internet-based computing. It eliminates the need of on-premises infrastructure because it is scalable and on-demand service. We can easily host websites or run enterprise applications on Google Cloud Platform. So what do you mean by on-premise infrastructure? So it is nothing but a data center where company can host their hardware and software. But it provides a control and lack of scalability. So how GCP can help here? So GCP provides a cloud migration tools to move legacy enterprise applications to Google Cloud. So there are tools available using which you can migrate the workloads. So we have already discussed about CapEx, which is nothing but a data center investment. OpEx is nothing but a cloud expense like pay as you go model. The TCO is total cost of ownership. That means how much cost you will pay monthly or year on year basis. So GCP provides flexible plans for its customer to reduce the TCO. So what do you mean by digital transformation? So basically, the adoption of modern technology to enhance business operation. It improves agility, innovation, and customer experiences. So GCP provides AI, analytics, and automation tools. So there are multiple products available for retail personalization, smart factories like AI ML products and data tools. So open source and open standards. Let's say Google, right? So they have open sourced a few of its products like Kubernetes and TensorFlow for publicly available software. There are like another examples as well, like Linux, Apache Spark, or Kubernetes. And there are like paid products available like Google Kubernetes Engine and Anthos. So what do you mean by shared responsibility model? So cloud security is always a shared responsibility between Google Cloud and its customers, because GCP secures the infrastructure while customer manage their data and access to. For example, from GCP side, we have products like Cloud IAM, Cloud KMS, etc. Regions and zone. So what do you mean by region and a zone? So GCP resources are deployed across multiple regions and zone for redundancy. It ensures high availability and disaster recovery. For example, we have multi-regional databases or failover systems. So basically a region is a group of data center, and a zone is, you can imagine, as a single data center at a single location. So in a conclusion, the cloud computing is a foundation of modern IT, offering scalability, cost saving, and flexibility. Google Cloud provides cutting edge control over the cutting edge cloud solutions to meet the demand of business worldwide. So next we will explore the GCP, how GCP enables the cloud digital transformation for organizations. Stay tuned.